Namaste, my name is 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗹. I am from Mumbai, India. I always wanted to do the yoga teacher training program and I was looking for a good yoga school. So I was in search of a yoga school and ultimately I found Vinyasa Yogashala, which is located in Tapovan, Rishikesh. I feel I am extremely lucky that I found this Yogashala. I joined Vinyasa Yogashala in May 2022 batch, and I would say it was one of the best experience of my life that I joined this course. It was a 3 weeks course, and I would say that the course content was absolutely very well organized. The teachers, all the teachers with respect to various subjects, anatomy, physiology, Hatha Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, everything was so good. It was very well structured and so many new things to learn. Apart from this, the food and the accommodation part, it was, I would say it was fabulous. The food was vegan, vegetarian food. I being a vegetarian, so it was, there was absolutely no problem for my food, and as well as the accommodations are very neat and clean. I would personally recommend all of you, those who are from India as well as from all over the world, to come and experience this moment by yourself. So come and enjoy. That's it. Thank you very much.